Target Trading Academy.
Good afternoon, everybody. Preston Vogl here at Target Trading Academy with today's Micros Market Recap. It is Wednesday, December 6th. Sorry, not 16th. I don't know why it's the 16th. December 20th at the close of New York. Let's start off with oil. Oil opened to gap up well above that range high, which is now the new contract high from yesterday. They initially just went sideways for a good 30 minutes, started climbing, and then they started melting down. They got some volatility, and they brought it down into the range high at the very least, and then had rejection of lower prices before they started that climb once more, and then they got rejected just before they matched those highs. They didn't even get to match them, quite frankly, and then they just came crashing down, got to the close, and then they did recover a little bit, and then they finished ever so slightly net positive. You can see the response at that HVA edge there, and there, and there. So maybe about 2-3 good opportunities for students in that market alone. And then gold opened inside of its range below that close, had that move down as it opened on the edge, punched through, recovered, got to its close, shot off that edge, came back up to it, shot off of it again, and then it responded at this area on this edge of gold, and we are finishing net down on the day. Now, our equities, that was a little bit more interesting. It didn't seem like it was going to do anything, as they had a tough time even just getting outside this contract. You can see we opened in those markets, and they just started climbing right away. It goes without saying that they got their close. They expanded the whole range of yesterday in both these equities. And it looks like they kept trying to push it. And then right around, 1 o'clock or so, it just started taking a nosedive, and it just bottomed out. And you can see that they're getting some retracements, and then they start going lower. So they definitely, I don't know what happened. I don't know what was said or what's going on. It doesn't really matter. We don't trade the news here. We just trade what's in front of us. So as soon as they have those sellers take charge, we start looking for those opportunities to go short, and we just go after them and wait patiently for those setups to set up or reset up and re-engage that move. So we are finishing net down in the ES. And then as far as the NASDAQ goes, very similar story. They just couldn't sustain a climb. It was very choppy this whole morning. They tried. They pushed it. It looked like they were going to. And it honestly, I thought it was just going to die off around here, or even maybe retrace a little bit into the range from yesterday. But that 1 o'clock move came out of nowhere, and they're still melting down. So we are definitely finishing lower on the day. You can see that they're still stopping at those points of support and resistance that we have predefined from that night before. So if there isn't anything you want on your charts, it's most likely going to be these levels. And then after that, you want to learn the methodology. If that interests you, feel free to reach out to us. We are Target Trading Academy. You can find us on Facebook or go to our website at targettrading.co. Get in touch with us at either location. We'll gladly show you what we do in our rooms each and every day that the market's open. We look forward to seeing you there.